Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is a bit exciting for me because we are opening we've got a parcel from Chemist warehouse, guys. So if you are a mom like me who is working full-time, yeah, we rely on online shopping most of the times just because it's very hard. Like, I work Monday to Friday, and then every time I get home from work, I just want to spend time with Paris and of course with Mike. So in terms of like buying stuff or the necessities at home, I tend to just buy them online, so I don't need to go out or go somewhere to buy this stuff. So what I've done with this one, it's interesting because I'm supposed to go to Chemist warehouse that day. However, something came up and I wasn't able to. So what I've done, I just went online and checked their website, and here it is now. So even though this got delivered Friday, however, no one was home, so they had to take it back to the post office, and they just left a card for pickup. Even though I left a note, authority to leave if unattended. So that is a bummer because I really don't want to pick it up from the post office, because if they can just leave it at home, because I know it's safe. However, it's fine. I think they're just very cautious about leaving stuff outside the house, because some people might how do you call it, steal them. So anyways, enough of that. The main thing is I've got the parcel now. I ordered it, I think, I don't know, maybe Tuesday, and it got delivered Friday. So I think it's pretty quick. Oh no, I think Wednesday. So it only took 2 days for it to get delivered to our doorstep. So we're gonna open this first and see what's inside. I want to show you what's inside. So I've got my knife here. I'm very careful in opening parcels now, guys, because it happened to me before. I ordered dress online and they put it in a satchel, so it's like plastic, and then because I was so excited, I just like cut the satchel with the scissors, and guess what happened? I also cut the dress. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Oh, and you know what's good thing about it, guys, is that I also, because they offer afterpay. So afterpay is that it will let you pay for the whole lot over time. So four times, I think. So with Chemist warehouse, if you order 50 or over, it's free shipping. So it's amazing. I think it's a great deal. So what I've done, I made sure that I ordered $50 worth of stuff, so I will get free shipping. So I got it shipped to my front door for free. So that's great. And also what I was saying was the afterpay. So this one is $50. I paid via afterpay, so it means they will cut the payment into 4. So it means every 2 weeks I pay only $12.50. So that is so good. We'll have a look inside. Oh, okay. So that is the receipt. Chemist warehouse. And also, oh, they put catalogs, you know, just telling you what's on sale and everything. Have a look. Guys, they always have sale every day of the year. So the first one I've got in here, firstly, I really just wanted to get these Sustain Gel Drops for my eyes. But because when I saw that it's, you know, $50 up, you'll get free shipping, then I just added other stuff. So that's the first one. So they're for my eyes. So this one, guys, as you can see, it is, oh, it's not, Intensive Dry Eye Relief. So this is not drops, guys, it's gel. So the consistency is thicker than just the drops. That's how dry my eyes are. And the second one I've got is, so it is the Organic Farm Animal Biscuits. So that is for my little girl Paris. She loves it, guys. So this is vanilla, the flavor. She loves this. This is amazing because, you know, like the biscuits, the shapes are like animals. So they make it very interesting for the kids, which is a really good idea. The next one is this one, guys. So if you watch my previous video, my optometrist said to get these Sustain lid wipes. So whenever you want to use them, really. So morning or night, as long as you feel like your eyes are getting like crusty, dry, he said this is really good. So I'm gonna try this out and hopefully this works for me. So there's 30 wipes inside. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. And so that's the third one. The next one I got is also for Paris. This is for Paris' snacks, guys. She likes this one too. So it's snack bar. It's apple flavor. So it's no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no preservatives, no GM ingredients. I don't know what GM means, but yep, that's the one. And then the next one I've got, oh, also, this is for Paris, but for me as well, or for Tita Mimi, or even for Daddy, because this is so yum, guys. This is coconut rice rolls. Yum, Paris loves it. So that's that. And hope you don't mind my messy hair, guys, because when I woke up this morning, we just went to the post office straight away because on Saturdays they close at 12:30. So we got up, I think, at 9 o'clock. So we made sure that we will get there before they close. So yeah, I didn't do anything special with my hair. I just tie up like that. And the next one is Sticky Fingers Hand and Face Wipes. So this is for my nappy bag, guys. So every time we go out, Paris and I, or even Mimi, when she's looking after Paris, we just stick it in the nappy bag, and it's just very handy for, you know, wiping stuff like Paris's hand and face after she's eating. That is very hygienic. Oh, I forgot to tell you the pricings, guys. So this one, sorry. So this one is, it's $2.49, this one. And, oh, okay, we're getting into the bottom. So this is the second to the last item. So it's the nappy bags, fragrance nappy bags. So this is very handy as well, guys, for when we go out and, you know, if we're somewhere and then Paris decided to poo-poo, then you know, we can just put the dirty nappy inside and it won't smell that bad. So that one is, how much is that one? Oh, that's $2.99. And the last one, ooh, so there's nothing now, guys. The last one is, I don't know. Oh, they put it in here because it might leak. Alright, so this is for my hair. This is the L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Heat Styling Spray. So because, just like me guys, I love straightening my hair because it's not really, well, it is straight, but it's not silky straight. So I love using hair straightener. So to avoid getting your hair damaged, then this stuff would help. So, you know, you just spray it on your hair, let it dry a little bit, and then you can start using your hair iron. And yeah, it's really good. So this will be my first time using this one, because currently I'm using the, hang on, oh, I still have some, there you go. So I'm currently using the Tresemme Heat Timer Protective Spray. So that's what I'm using at the moment. I still have some left. I thought I used them all, that's why I got another one. Anyways, the price of this one, guys, is $10.49. So this is $10.49. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's what I got, and I think it is very it's just great that we are able to just do, you know, online shopping in stuff like this, because it just saves so much time, guys. And as I mentioned before, after work I just want to spend time with Paris, and you know, instead of like going to the shop and doing the shopping. So thank you, Chemist Warehouse, thank you for doing that and for such a quick delivery of my items. I'll definitely be doing it again, because I think it just saves so much time. And I'm just gonna put it back here, guys, because I'm gonna put them all away later on. So yeah, guys, that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please like this video and be a part of this family. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, someone's here, guys. We've got a visitor. Come on, this way, because Mama's gonna say bye now. What are you doing? We've got Mimi in the background, guys. Whee. Hey, come on. Woohoo! She just had a shower, guys. She smells good. Smells good. What's that? Say hi. No. Okay. Yes. Please hit the subscribe button, guys. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And I hope to see you all, guys, in our next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye. Before we end this video, guys, we're just gonna do some shout out to our friends in the Philippines. Firstly, to Novem Grace Limokon. Hi! Look, hi! The friends, look! Oh, and also to
Her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend. What's
Shahara.
Shahara Biraket. I hope I Slang naman ko kayo, guys. Uy, napakalitok sa inyong mga apelyido. Yes, and also to Jason Opshar. Hi, thank you very much for watching our video. So if you want your name to be mentioned on our next video, guys, please just comment down below and we will be happily do that for you.